Good afternoon, viewers. Again with me, Safra Al-Munawira. This time I will bring news related to diarrhea, which ranks second in under 5 mortality in the world. Diarrhea is still a problem in all groups, especially the age of toddlers. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, it ranks second as the cause of death for children under 5 in the world, even though this disease can be treated. Every year, diarrhea kills 125,000 children under 5 and causes 1.7 million children to suffer from diarrhea in the world. The result of research conducted by Lancet 2016 stated diarrhea was the 8 years leading cause of death of all ages and the 5 years rank in children under 5. Diarrhea is common in developing countries. In low-income countries, the incidence of diarrhea is an average of 3 times per year in children less than 3 years of all due to diarrhea disease. 70% occur in Africa and Southeast Asia. Diarrhea is often considered by most people as a disease in which the intensity of bowel movements or bowel movements become more frequent than usual. This condition is characterized by defecation more than 3 or more times in one day. In addition to more frequent catheter activity, usually catheters are also accompanied by dehydration due to frequent wasting of fluids in the body. Although diarrhea lasts for a short period of 2 to 3 days, watch out if diarrhea occurs continuously. This can be due to colon irritation. Some of the common symptoms that are felt when experiencing diarrhea are loss and liquid stool, then pain and cramps in the abdomen, feeling nauseous and vomiting, pain in the head, loss of appetite, feeling thirsty due to lack of fluid, and sometimes both stool are mixed with blood. These symptoms are caused by the former virus such as norovirus, also known as norovirus, enteric adenovirus, astrovirus, cytomegalovirus, and hepatitis virus. Rotavirus is a common cause of acute diarrhea in children. The second is bacteria and parasites. Diarrhea can also be caused by exposure to pathogenic bacteria such as E. coli or parasites that are spread through contaminated food and water. This condition can also be caused by the bacterium Clostridiosis diffuse, also known as C. diff. The treated milk is not suitable for babies. There are several things that may happen if a baby or kid has diarrhea after drinking formula, including lactose intolerance, milk allergy, or in that the kid has digestive disorders such as gastrointestinal infections. Therefore, it It is better to give exclusive milk to bio or body milk. The factors that cause diarrhea are: number 1, eat without washing clean hands. Number 2, drink raw water. Number 3, eat food that is infested with flies. Number 4, defecate in any place. Number 5, has heavy and dirty home environment. Number 6, giving additional food to breast milk too early in the baby. However, there are several things we need to know to prevent diarrhea from occurring, especially when we are still in the rainy season, where the development of fungi, bacteria, and virus can develop rapidly. Namely, the main things is to: number 1, maintain body hygiene by washing hands. Number 2, keeping the house and environment clean. Number 3, maintain the clean lines of food and beverages. As for the fresh babies up to the age of 4 months are only given breast milk, exclusive breastfeeding. The second, boil the milk boldly or pacifier before giving it to the baby. Well, now that we know how to prevent diarrhea from occurring, what steps should we take when we have diarrhea?